Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Obsolete Techie. On this episode we're going to be taking a look at this card that I have here. And as you can see, it's a 3FX card. This one is a Maxi Gamer Phoenix. It's a Banshee card actually. And yeah, I got this a couple months ago from eBay. I got a good deal on it. And you know, well, once you get a good deal you can't pass it by, right? So I bought it and yeah, it was not working. Actually, it was for parts or repair, and it was missing this tantalum capacitor that it has here. You can see not the best work, but it is working. It is making connection. I had to actually install new pads in there because the ones that were there were ripped completely out. But the nice thing about it, there was some connectors, some enough where I can actually solder another pads in there. So yeah, it's working to a point that where it's actually functional as visually. But once I put it in to the system, it didn't want to post. So probably you might see now V switch 0. He would get another, what do you call, another working card, video card, and switch it to this one. And I tried that and it didn't really work that well. I had to do something else in order for it to make it work. But I want to show you guys because it's very weird what it is doing. I already tested it and it does work. I played Unreal Tournament on it, but on the device manager, I can't see it for some reason. But it is working. Let me show you guys what it does. Let me install it and I'll show you guys. Be right back. Okay, so it's installed there. As you can see, it is missing the bracket, but as long as it's, you know, it's in place, I mean, it should work, right? So let's put this, because it does get hot a lot. Always take care of the equipment, because, well, it's not kind of rare, but you know, yeah, as you can see there, it's not posting. Yeah, for some reason it does that. Let me turn it off. Let me try turn it back on. And last time it did that, and I think it's something with the ROM. Okay, now you don't want to work. Okay, let me see what's going on. I'll be right back. Okay, let's see if I got it working again. Yeah, it's not gonna do it. Okay, so let me turn this off real quick. Okay, so now it did post it. So yeah, I don't know what's up with this thing. Now it doesn't want to show. Did I put the right input? Yeah, it's the right one. Be right back. It's posting, but I can't show signal. I'll be right back. Okay, that's super weird. Now it's working fine. Oh man. Yeah, it has to do something with the BIOS or the ROM that it has on the 3FX chip. I probably might have to flash it. I just don't, well, I can actually do, but I don't think I have a way. Well, I don't know why I put safe mode. Yeah, it's been detected. Yeah, I know. Let me restart it again. Restart. Sorry. Yeah, it's posting now fine. Okay, let me set up my camera and show you guys what it's doing. Okay, so yeah, so as you see, it's really kind of hard to get it working. Well, once I do that, I mean, I can restart it and shut it off and it will restart again. The thing is, when I take out the card, for some reason it just dies completely and doesn't want to boot. So I'm guessing it has to do something with that ROM. But other than that, I mean, everything else is being detected except the, let me show you guys here, control panel, system, on device manager. Yeah, there's nothing there. Nothing, no display adapter or anything. And usually it will be right around here somewhere, but as you can see, there's nothing. So I really don't know why it's doing this. But if I go to the DirectX tool, and it pop it up right here. I should leave it over here. So I can actually bounce. Fine now. It does detect it. 3DFX Voodoo Banshee AGP for Windows. So it is being detected by the DirectX tool. And if I run this test, it works perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with that. Even on the, if I go here, properties, settings, see, default monitor on 3DFX Voodoo Banshee AGP for Windows 98. So yeah, I mean, it's partially working, but I need to fix that ROM. And I might have to look into, see if I can flash it. I'm hoping, I wish I had other tools that I can actually extract that and I can actually check it out and see what's wrong with it, but I don't have that. So, and plus I don't have I don't have it, simple enough. But let's run a game so you guys can see how well it runs. This is Unreal Tournament 99. And man, it plays amazing. Actually, let me close this. I don't need this. Yeah, it's running fine.
In 2291, in an attempt to control violence among deep state.
Okay, so we get the point. All right, let's go to options to get see. Yeah, see, it's 3DFX Live for Windows, so it is being detected by a real tournament, and it will run. Let's do a start session game. Yeah. Let's just go. So just warning, my gameplay sucks. It's not that great. Yeah, look at that. Oh man, that's cool. Okay, enough playing around. I need to get my stuff here. Get this one. Get this one, this one, this one. Oh, those are my teammates. Sorry, bro. Goodbye. Where you at? Oh shoot, I'm getting shoot. Let's go, dude. Get that one. Oh shoot. Oh shoot, almost out. Where am I at? I'm stuck. I'm stuck somewhere. Oh, that's so bad. Just terrible at this. Oh, first of all, we gotta kill this guy. Where is he at? Oh, they haven't taken it yet. I do. Gotcha. I mean, yeah, it's working fine, as you can see. I got him. Yeah, I know. I got point. Oh, got him. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Ah, I fell. My spare. Oh shoot. Where am I going? Let's go, dude. Give me my shield. Yeah. Did I get stuck again? I'm getting shot. Yeah, as you can see, it runs amazing. It's just that little issue that I got to figure out. Now, my question is it a special for this Maxi Gamer card, or the special BIOS I had to get? Or can I just use the generic whatever there is online? That's the only, my concern is if I have to get the original BIOS for this, I probably will need to wait and research and find out, you know, how to do it properly so I can actually, you know, have it working fine. But for now, as you can see, it's working fine. It's being detected. The only thing is just at the first time that it turns on that it has that issue. But yeah, I guess this is it. That's the only thing I'm gonna show you guys. If you guys want to see footage of me, you know, fixing it, it's just one tantalum capacitor that I installed in. Yeah, so I can put it up for you guys if you want to see that. But yeah, it's not much. It's not much that I have. Other than that, if you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode. All right.